Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your devices. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, updated, and paired to the car through USB or wireless CarPlay. Once connected, go straight to Settings, tap General, then CarPlay, and choose the car profile you want to edit. You do this now because the background options live per profile, so selecting the correct vehicle is essential. While in the list, glance for a Customize or Options button. If visible, tap it to begin changing visual elements and backgrounds. Once inside the profile customization area, you'll see Appearance or Wallpaper settings. Tap it. Choose a preset background for immediate use or select Add Photo to pick a custom image from your Photos library. Use a landscape crop for best results. Make sure to preview how icons and text contrast against the image, and if the option exists, toggle light versus dark themes to optimize legibility. After selecting, tap Apply or Save so the head unit receives and displays the new background. Finish by checking the car display. The new background should appear immediately. If not, end the CarPlay session and reconnect the iPhone to force an update. If the image won't show, make sure your photo is a standard JPEG or PNG and not excessively large. Crop and export a smaller file if necessary. As a last resort, reset CarPlay settings for that vehicle in iPhone settings or unpair and repair the phone. This clears profile cache and typically resolves stubborn background update issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.